So hey, what's up guys? Today I'm back with a new Python coding tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you guys about the int data type. So a data type is something that tells the value of something, like a string. So we don't want it as a string, we want it as a number. I'll not only tell you int, I'll also tell you float. So let's get into it. So the int actually will turn it into an integer. It'll turn it into an integer, and float would turn it into a decimal and think it's a decimal, but mostly float is the best you can use. So let's get started. Today I'm going to tell you that age teller script that I was talking about in the last video. And so for example, first we put the input like q is equal to for example, first we put input and then we'll put parentheses, and then we'll put double quotes. I don't know why did I say so late. And then I'll type down a number and get to get its 2x. Then I'll just put a space. This perfect. Put a space over it. And now this will be the input. Now when this input is stored, we wanted to get the double of it. So right now this is a string. So I'll type down, I'll put the variable double is equal to q star. For multiplication we use star 2, and then we'll type down y there for it, the parentheses double quotes the double of. Guys, do you remember how to concatenate two strings? Plus q Where's Q? Okay, Q plus is plus and double. Now let's run this. So it multiplied it by 2, but the double of 2 is not 22. And that's right. So to get the double of 2, we need to convert this input into an integer or turn Q into an integer. But that's going to be hard, so we'll just turn this input into an integer by typing int and that's it. Now you get this error because then it is thinking of adding these two things. So to avoid that, we can I'll tell you a new method of concatenating commas. Now we got no error for Q. Yay! Now it's completely with no error. Check. This means like no problems found. Means there are no problems. Now it will completely work. Yay! You can just do anything. You can type the biggest number in the world. The double of blah 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 is blah blah blah. It's too big, I can't read this. And now if I type down 2.5, it will give me an error cause the data type is int over here. So to avoid this, we'll change this to float. And now let's run this. Now first I'll do a normal number. Now it will like put those decimals cause we are in the float. We're like doing the float mode. But now if I type down 2.5, it'll give me the answer. That's great. Now I'm going to tell you guys about the HSheller script. About the HSheller script. Yeah. So that's a pretty cool script. You guys can show that script to your friends and family. Let's get started. So first we'll type down H is equal to input. Now I forgot to put the int, so first we'll put the int instead of putting input, and in the brackets then we'll put input, and then we'll put another bracket and we'll type down what is your age. Perfect. Now this is a pretty like basic script. Now all we have to do is add one, say the same thing, subtract 1. I mean, like, it will first tell your age next year. Then, I mean, first it will tell your current age. Then it will tell you age, like, next year, like your next birthday. And then it will tell your age last birthday. Like, what was your age last birthday? Your last birthday. So that's pretty cool. So we'll do print. I'll put triple of these codes, and then I'm gonna type your current age is, oh, I put an extra U over there, is oh, I can't put these ones. Your current age is, cause they won't make any use, cause I just want to type it here, age, and then I think I'll copy this. I'm just gonna do Control plus C, and to paste, Control V. I'm gonna Control Alt L. It formatted 2 lines. That's good. First, we'll do this age plus 1, and we'll make this an int, not an float, because nobody can be in the float. Like, I can't be like 10.5 or 33.5 or 33.3. Nobody can be like that, so it's an int. Don't worry about that. Then I think we'll put a space here, and yeah, your age no. Next, birthday will be, our age next birthday will be age plus 1. Good. And then I'll copy this one. No. For undoing anything, you just do Control Z, Control C, Enter Control V, and age. This time subtract 1, and yeah, this is pretty much it. I'll change will to was. I'll remove the P or age, and next to last. Now let's check out this bad boy. Ooh. 5. Your current age is 5. Your age next birthday will be 6. Your age last birthday was 4. Success! Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. I think I'll remove these and see what happens. Because I put commas. So that's what I was thinking. Two. Yeah, this will work. You guys can remove those spaces or indents. And guys, this is pretty much it for this video. Type down this script in your computer and share it with your friends. This script is pretty fun for basic. And so bye guys.